For today's easy recipe, I will show you how to make chewy spiced oatmeal cookies. In a medium bowl, combine 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, 1/2 teaspoon of allspice, and 1/4 teaspoon of nutmeg. Whisk this until everything is well combined and then set aside. In a separate large bowl, combine 1/2 cup of softened butter and 1/2 cup of packed brown sugar. Using your hand mixer or stand mixer if you would prefer, cream together the butter and sugar on medium-low until nice and smooth. This will take approximately 2 minutes. Make sure to scrape down the sides of your bowl in between each of these steps. Add in 1 large room temperature egg, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 tablespoon of molasses. The molasses really helps with the depth of flavor in these cookies and helps to keep them chewy. Once again, mix this on medium-low for another 1 to 2 minutes or until everything is well incorporated and the mixture is nice and light and airy. Now we can add in our dry ingredients, and once again, we're going to mix this on medium-low until everything is combined and no streaks of flour remain. Next, we're going to add in 1.5 cups of large flake oats. You could also use old-fashioned. Don't use instant or quick oats, they won't have the right texture. I'm going to use my spatula and mix these until evenly incorporated. Now we're going to have to cover and chill our dough for about 1 hour. Once your dough is fully chilled, use a 1.5 tablespoon cookie scoop to drop your cookies onto parchment-lined cookie sheets. Ensure that you leave some room for spreading. Bake these for 7 to 8 minutes in an oven preheated to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 Celsius. Take them out as soon as the bottoms start to turn a golden brown and allow them to cool in the pan for a moment before moving to a wire rack to finish cooling completely. These easy oatmeal cookies have a lovely, soft, and chewy texture and the perfect balance of spices. If you have enjoyed this recipe, I'd appreciate it so much if you would like or subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.